Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you dread doing touch-up painting as much as I do? These paint pens from Slobproof have really taken a lot of the frustration and the pain out of doing touch-ups. You simply use the enclosed syringe to fill your paint pen, and then you use it to paint little spots. I love that it makes it so easy to get to those hard to reach areas like you can see on my wall here. If I was using a brush, I'd be getting this everywhere. And what's amazing is once you put the cap on, this will stay airtight and fresh for years. I have to admit that I forgot to clean the tip off before I put the cap back on, and it sat for about a week. Now, normally that would have turned into a horrible dry mess. I never would have been able to reuse it, but it was still wet. Now, generally you're gonna want to definitely clean off the tip before you put the lid on, and that will help it to stay fresh and usable for years to come. When it was time to refill the pen, I had to twist it counterclockwise. Now, don't worry if at first you're like, wow, I'm putting too much pressure on this. Just do it. It will give way when you're doing counterclockwise, and it took me about 30 seconds to unwind the plunger all the way down so that I could refill it. Then you simply twist it clockwise to get the plunger back up, and your pen is ready to use. I'm so thrilled by the genius design of these Slobproof pens. It was something I definitely needed in my life. You need it in your life. You're not going to be disappointed at how well these work, how easy they are to use, and that's my point of view.